Here's a question that comes up frequently. One of the managers on our leadership team is problematic and messing up the group dynamics. How do you help them? How do you fix that? The good news is there's a simple, systematic approach to give you the best chances of success. But we have to look at it from the problematic leader's perspective and help them answer 3 important questions. In fact, these are the same questions any leader needs to answer to be able to grow and change. Question number 1 is, what do I need to change? Question number 2 is, how do I change that? And question number 3 is, why should I change? Now, to break those down a little bit further, question 1, what needs to change? We're going to use various sources to help build the case for what needs to change. We will use scientifically validated professional assessments. We'll get input from the leader's subordinates. We'll get feedback from that leader's peers. We'll get input from the leader's supervisor, and then outside perspectives like a consultant. When all 5 of those sources line up and say, yeah, you need to work on being a better listener, that's the best chance to have that aha moment of, yeah, okay, now I know what to change, but how do I do that? We answer the how question with proven tips and techniques, but that's not enough. We get peer accountability and coaching on a regular basis to equip, motivate, and help that leader along the path to change and improvement. But when they look at all the work that's going to be required to make this improvement, make this change, we have to have a solid answer to why. What's the why that's going to help motivate them to put in the work, to stick with it, and to make that improvement? Join me on Wednesday, June 30th, 4 p.m. Eastern. We're going to have a live workshop, work through these issues, give you more details on how you can do this for you, for your team, for the better future outcomes of your company. Please join me. Please click the link below. Love to see you Wednesday, June 30th, 4 p.m.